Hi, I'm Bill Krokos from Hanson Industrial-Peoria again. Today I'm going to show you one of our trailer packages. We've basically taken off a customer's old pressure washer that they had on a trailer with a tank that was failing, and it was going to cost more to probably fix it than it is worth to put a brand new one on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over what we did, and then I'm going to go over what it looks like, and then give you a demo of what the pressure washer does. This is what we're starting with. The new tank doesn't fit, so we had to cut and re-weld the frame. And now this is the trailer with the new tank on there and the new welding work that we did to keep it nice and secured. It's all located on there, and then we touched up the old trailer with some paint so that the tank won't rust. Basically, here's how the plumbing runs. We run a 2-inch line directly out over to a big filter screen, and then we have a pump. The pump is set up to blast the water right into the pressure washer. We have a float assembly, and it's all tied into the ignition on the unit. Basically, if the float doesn't have water, the engine won't start and the pump don't work. So the customer knows that, oh, I got a problem, I better make sure I put some water in there. This is the Hanson HVS 3505 unit. It has a 20 horsepower Honda on there, key ignition with choke, 4 nozzles, burner switch. It has a diesel fuel tank and a gasoline fuel tank, a high-end pump on there, electric start of course. On this side has a high-end horizontal burner, burns 25% less fuel than a vertical coil. We've got it plumbed where the water comes back to the tank so that when the unit's not being pulled, the trigger's not being pulled, that water goes directly into the tank so that you don't superheat the pump. We installed just a muffler up on there so none of the heat gets to the tank or does any melting. This unit has a 120 volt generator on there, and so it supplies the best power needed to run the burner on the unit. And then there's the tank again. We got it strapped into its saddle. The wand is laying right over there so it doesn't bounce around during transit. And this is the final setup. Now I'm going to go ahead and hook it up and run it and show you how it operates. The customer also had a reel, not a reel, actually a hose hanger, so we took it off the old one and remounted the hose hanger on there for them. So that you can hear me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the engine with the choke on. Once I get the engine started, I'm going to go ahead, the pump's going to turn on, the float's going to turn on. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the gun to get the unit all fired up pressure-wise. Then after I'm done, I'm going to turn on the burner. Right now, where we're not pulling the trigger, the unit's bypassing back to the tank versus bypassing back to the pump. So the water in the pump will never get super hot. Now I'm going to turn the burner on. In just about 20 seconds to 45 seconds, this thing will be at full heat. For demonstration purposes, I'm just cleaning this concrete. After you're done, you got to cool down the burner. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and demonstrate how that's done. Basically going to run the pressure washer for a minute to 2 minutes until I can touch the end of the one with my hand. Now that the unit's turned off, I can go ahead and stow everything and put everything away. Hey, thanks for watching. We just completely went over everything we just did from start to finish on this trailer unit and in the operation of the trailer and how the new pressure washer works and all the configurations that we set up. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell for post notifications. And if you need to contact us, go ahead and contact us at HansonIndustrial-Peoria.com or 309-697-3508 or 888-345-0903. And also hit that like button too. Thanks.